I'm an Oreo. Some cookies avoid milk. I dive straight in every single time. I'm an Oreo. Do you twist me apart or eat me whole? The debate never ends.
I'm an Oreo. Let's be honest. Everyone talks about the cream in the middle.
I'm an Oreo. It's midnight. You weren't looking for me, but you found me.
I'm an Oreo. One cookie. Hundreds of flavors. That's a pretty good career. I'm an Oreo. Different countries. Different flavors. Same cookie fame.